starting off, I'll be using this palette I got from BoxyCharm and going to start this lightest color as my transition shade. And going to take this orange color with the Luxie brush and going to start building up the color on the outer V, then put it on the crease as I go. And going to take this maroon color also with the same brush and start diffusing my crease with it. And I'm going to take some concealer with the flat small brush and going to start curving out my crease slowly. So yeah, as you can see, it's going all the way up to my brow bones. And I'm just going to use some LA Girl orange corrector and going to conceal my under eyes and my mouth area. And going to take this Born This Way foundation in praline and going to start buffing it all over my face. And going to take this also the Toofaced concealer and going to put this on the under eyes. I'm in the shade Honey and going to blend it out using this Real Techniques contour brush. I'm going to take some Mercier translucent powder and going to set my under eyes and the T-zone, and going to take this Sigma Wicked Gel eyeliner with the bend 12 brush and going to start applying it on my eyes. Going to line my eyes very slowly from inner corner, then I'm going to outline my outer line, then going to connect it all together. And going to carve it out with some concealer and going to take some G-Class lashes and going to start applying the lashes looking down and then applying it slowly by every corner so it holds on to it. And going to take some contour shade, it's Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and going to start chisel out my cheekbones. And going to take some highlighter from Makeup Revolution called Shimmer Radiant Brick and going to apply it on the T-zone, on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose and on the forehead. And going to take this liquid lipstick from Dose of Color named Savage and going to apply the lips. And yeah, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on my next tutorial. Bye.